What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you turn on your notifications so you're not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. Oh my gosh, it's hot out here in Tennessee. It's hot. It's so hot. All right, guys, you guys know who this lovely woman is. It's my sister Brittany, and today we are going to show you guys easy ways to go down ramps and hills in your rollerblades or your roller skates. Let's do this. Okay, I think I found an easier way for people like me who are terrified of ramps and hills. Here's how we can do it. Use your toe stops. Walk yourself up the hill. If there's a rail, I'm using the rail. So I'm going on my toe stops. I'm gonna walk, 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 walk. Then I'm gonna turn around, work on practicing going down. Like that. Turning around and going down. That was better. I'm gonna go a little higher this time. I'm really sweating, guys. I'm in Tennessee, that Tennessee heat. Alright, guys. Now I'm going all the way up. No fear. All the way up.